Hey guys, welcome to Beginner Bits, and today I am going to show you how to add an icon like this in your website's title. So let's get started. So of course first we need an logo. I have this logo right here. You can make your own logo or just download it from Google. Then open the website directory to your code editor. I am going to use VS Code. You can use any other code editor if you like. So first let me show you the website by going live. This is the website I am going to show you. As you can see, there's no icon right now. If you reload, you can see there's no logo right here. We're going to add logo. So in your index.html file or any other file you want to add the logo, go to that, and inside your head element we want to create another tag, link tag, and inside that link tag the href should be your logo directory. So let's add the logo. This should be my logo. Now we are going to use icon in the relation so that the browser can identify this as an icon. Now this should do the work. As you can see, there's the logo, but to do it more professionally we want to add an type. It's basically for browser compatibility. If we don't add this, the icon may not show on every browser. So we are going to add the type, and the type should be image/png. And if we check now, you can see the title logo right here, and this is how we do it. So that's it for the video, and if it helped, consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.